no candy inside. It's just a toy.
Akin naman.
Okay.
Open, mommy.
What will you say to Mommy? Okay, and now, what is this?
Toy.
This is a...
Pony.
Yes, a pony. Okay. And this is a
Cookie.
spatula.
Patuya, that's mine.
Yes, the spatula we use. When do we use spatula? When we are cooking, we use spatula. And do you know what shape is this?
Mango.
Yay! It's a diamond. Yes, diamond.
Yay.
Can anyone tell me what is this?
Tawag.
Yes, I mean tawag. This is called telephone. Can you say it again? Repeat after me. Telephone. Again. Louder. Telephone. Telephone. Now, can you say telephone? What is the color of our telephone?
Red.
Yay! It's red. Correct, Maya. Very good. I give it 3 stars. And here is the shape of a... This is the shape of...
Mommy, here. Mommy.
There's another phone. Okay. This is a shape of... What shape is this?
Tiger.
Yes, and the color is... What is the color? Can anyone answer me, Miss Rachel? No, not the answer. Can you say it? What is the color of this stellar? Not violet. Bluey. Can you say it? No, it's not blue. Maya, can you tell me what is the color of this?
Yellow.
Yay! Very good, Maya. Very good. Okay, next.